Clio CRM tutorial for beginners, how to use Clio software for lawyers. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a lawyer looking for an easy and efficient way to manage your cases, clients, and documents all in one place, then you're in the right video. In today's tutorial, I'll be walking you through Clio CRM, the all-in-one software designed to help legal professionals streamline their workflow, stay organized, and improve productivity. So let's get started. Now, Clio offers 4 main pricing plans, each packed with different features. Whether you're a solo lawyer or running a big law firm, there's something for you, so let's go through them one by one. First, we have the Easy Start. This is Clio's most affordable plan, perfect for solo lawyers or small firms just getting started. So here's what you get. You get case, document, and task management, time tracking and basic billing, secure online payments for clients, and email and e-signature integrations. If you need a simple way to keep track of your cases, appointments, and invoices, Easy Start is a great choice. You can get Easy Start for $49 per month and $39 if billed annually. Next, we have Essentials, which includes everything in Easy Start Plus, some great communication and automation tools. Now we have Secure Client Portal, where client can upload documents and message you securely, and also send reminders and case updates directly from Clio, and it saves time by creating reusable legal templates. And it also stays on top of deadlines with built-in legal calendar rules and store and access files directly from your desktop. If you want a more professional way to manage client interaction and legal documents, Essential is a solid upgrade. You can get Essentials for $89 per month and $79 if billed annually. Now, Advanced is where Clio starts getting serious. This plan is designed for law firms that want more automation, analytics, and workflow improvements. So they can organize cases into different stages and track progress, find important documents instantly, no limits on digital document signing, get deeper insights into your firm's performance, get expert help setting up Clio, faster responses to your questions. If you manage a growing law firm and need better organization, Clio Advanced is definitely worth considering. Now you can get Advanced for $129 per month and $109 if billed annually. Finally, we have Complete, the top-tier plan packed with automation tools to streamline your entire law practice. So, it can collect client information automatically, let clients book appointments on their own, set up email sequences for follow-ups and case updates, speed up the onboarding process, create a professional website for your law firm, track new clients, and revenue growth. So if you want a fully automated law firm with minimal manual work, Complete is the best plan for you. Now to get started, click the Try Clio for free button and fill out this form. Enter your first name, your last name, your email, your phone number, and then your firm size. And then after that, click the Get Started, and then it will automatically started your free plan of Clio. Now after that, you need to verify first your email, so go to your Gmail and then verify your Clio account. And then after that, we are now going to set up our account, so enter your desired password and click the Continue button. Now after that, we're going to be redirected to the dashboard of our Clio, and Clio's dashboard gives a real-time view of your law firm's performance, track finances, deadlines, tasks, and client matters all in one place, so it can customize in cloud-based for easy access anytime and anywhere. So we also have the calendar tab that helps legal professionals to manage schedules, deadlines, and appointments efficiently, so it can automatically apply jurisdiction-specific court deadlines, keep all your calendars connected, assign tasks and appointments to colleagues, and easily differentiate meeting, hearings, and deadlines. So it gets alerts for upcoming events, and it can stay organized and never miss a deadline with Clio Smart Calendar. Next, we have the task. In Clio helps lawyers stay organized by managing assignments and deadlines efficiently. We have task assignment, task categories, recurring task, progress tracking, and reminders and notification. Next, we have the Matters tab in Clio. It's your central hub for managing cases efficiently, so it can case overview, link documents and emails, billing and time tracking, task and calendar integration, and custom matter fields. Next is we have the Contacts tab in Clio that helps you manage clients, opposing counsel, and other key contacts efficiently. So you can centralize contact management, link matters, communication history, custom fields, and conflict checking. So keep all your legal contacts organized in one place with Clio's Contact tab. Next is we have the Activity tab in Clio that helps you track and manage all interactions related to your cases and clients. So it has activity tracking, time billing, integration, notes and updates, activity filters, searchable history. So stay on top of every interaction with Clio's Activity tab. And we have here the Billing tab in Clio simplifies invoicing, time tracking, and financial management for law firms. So it has time and expense tracking, invoice creation, payment processing, payment reminders, and financial reporting. And next, we have the accounts that manage your firm's financial accounts, ensuring smooth transaction tracking and reconciliation. We have also here the documents that help you manage and organize and securely store all case-related documents. And we also have here the Communications tab, where it can streamline all client and team communications in one centralized place. So you can add client portal and so much more. We also have the Reports section in Clio that provides detailed insights into your firm's performance, finances, and productivity. And you can also add app integration. You can search different apps in here. And lastly, we have the settings that allows you to customize the platform to fit your firm's specific needs. And then that's it, everyone. Thanks for watching this Clio tutorial. We've covered everything from managing your cases to handling billing and communication. So with Clio, it's intuitive designs and powerful features. Clio can help streamline your law firm's operations and boost productivity. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.